हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए इंग्लिश में लेके आई हूँ बीएड सेकेंड ईयर का 201 का नॉलेज एंड करिकुलम। अकॉर्डिंग टू वैश्विक फिलोसफी, नॉलेज इज डैश वर्ल्ड एंड चित, प्रकृति एंड पुरुष, शी विद्या एंड अविद्या, डी जीव एंड अजीव। द आंसर इज वर्ल्ड एंड चित। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ नॉलेज हैज कांट डिस्क्राइब? द कांट डिस्क्राइब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ नॉलेज हैव 7. Question number 3, according to Acharya Shankar is the main source of knowledge. The answer is God. Question number 4, according to Nyaya Darshan, knowledge is Prama and Aprama. Question number 5, rationalism emphasis on logical thinking. Question number 6, father of question answer method is Sukrat. Question number 7, what are the methods of attaining knowledge in Advaita Vedanta? All of the above. Question number 8, what are the main sources of knowledge? Senses, perception and logical thinking, testimony and authority, intuition and all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 9, dialogue method is based on facts. Question number 10, what are the sources of knowledge according to rationalism? The answer is senses. Question number 11, characteristics of knowledge is, the answer is all of the above. Question number 12, skill is related to, the answer is be practical and experimental aspect. Number 13, according to Jain philosophy, source of attaining knowledge are senses, insight, tapasya. Answer is all of the above. Question number 14, according to B.K. Pasi, number of teaching skills are 13. Question number 15, which is not the future of information? The answer is information is the last steps of teaching. Question number 16, agency of formal education is, answer is school. What is the main characteristics of good teaching? Planned process, remedial process, logical process. The answer is all of the above. Question number 18, how many levels of teaching are there? The answer is 3. Question number 19, objectives of education are, all of the above. Question number 20, functions of teaching are, all of the above. Question number 21, what is called educational required without any specific purpose, fixed period and place? The answer is informal. Question number 22, what are the three components the educational process? Answer is B, teacher, student and curriculum. Question number 23, teaching through deductive method. The answer is from general to specific. Number 24, which is the first school for a child education? Family. Question number 25, which of the following is not a teaching maximum? From direct to indirect. Question number 26, what is the main source of means of obtaining information? The answer is all of the above. Question number 27, information based on experience of observation, testing and experimental is prospective information. Question number 28, form of training is, answer is wider. Question number 29, what conduct activities? The answer is all of the above. Question number 13, the curriculum is the sum total of the activities that go on in the environment. Who state this? The answer is Annan. Question number 31, activity is not related to physical development. The answer is discussion. Question number 32, cultural activities are, the answer is all of the above. Question number 33, main objectives of scouting and guiding is, the answer is development of citizenship and nationality. Question number 34, factors affecting curriculum are, all of the above. Question number 35, which one is not the criteria of curriculum? Answer is attitude. Question number 36, the major purpose of co-curricular activity is to, the answer is all of the above. Question number 37, basic elements of curriculum are, all of the above. Question number 38, dimension of curriculum development is not political dimension. Question number 39, the basic problem in education is curriculum. Who state this? Answer is Froebel. Question number 40, what is the meaning of DIET? The answer is C, District Institution of Education and Training. Question number 41, the curriculum of teacher education is divided into how many parts? The answer is 3. Number 42, leadership motivate the people of work and not the power of money. This concept is related to, answer is supportive model. Question number 43, the main features of modern education system are, the answer is both A and B. Question number 44, there are lessons in a unit. The answer is many lessons. Question number 45, there is a need for curriculum development. The answer is textual content. Question number 46, teacher as per NCF 2005 is facilitator. 47, which of the following statement about leadership is false? The answer is all of the above is false. Question number 48, basis of language is not moral. Question number 49, what are the supporting factors of elements in language learning? The answer is all of the above. Question number 50, not essential merit of language is devotion. Question number 51, according to 2020, how many forms of language are there in terms of use? There is 5. Question number 52, chairman of the 2009 expert committee of curriculum outline. The answer is C.L. Anand. dash is the miniature of society. The answer is school. Question number 54. The chairperson of the National Steering Committee 2020 is. The answer is Vijay P. Bhatkar. Question number 55. NCERT review the NCFSE 2000 in the light of the report. The answer is learning without burden. Question number 50. Question number 56. Ontology is a type of philosophy. Question number 57. In their discussion about management and leadership, Benis and Nanis said that teachers do the right things. Question number 58. What is skill? Ability and efficiency are skill. Question number 59. Information based on data. Question number 60. Aspects of language are phonetics, morphology, syntax. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question number 61. Components of education process is teacher, student, curriculum. All of the are components of education process. Question number 62. Synonyms of education. The answer is Vidya. Question number 63. Types of skill development. The answer is both A and B. Self-management and problem solving. Question number 64. Classical theory of organization is based on knowledge center. Question number 65. Agency of education are not among the following. The answer is informal. Question number 66. Discipline of training is strict. Question number 67. Actions are conducted by cause. Question number 68. Aspect of transmission and advancement of knowledge. The answer is all of the above. Question number 69. How many forms of knowledge are there? Concrete or physical material knowledge, abstract and physical knowledge. Answer is both A and B. Question number 70. Correspondent theory is based on truth. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.